Welcome to KiwiFX Innovations. We build and trade automated strategies designed for consistent and disciplined market execution. KiwiFX Innovations does not teach trading or sell signals. The firm trades its own capital using fully automated systems, and investors can replicate these same trades through our regulated broker partner. KiwiFX Innovations exists because most people seek access to financial market returns, yet few have the time, experience, or emotional discipline required to trade consistently. KiwiFX Innovations was created to bridge that gap. Instead of relying on discretionary decision-making, the company builds rule-based models engineered to analyze markets and execute trades systematically. As these strategies matured, the firm recognized an opportunity. If these models deliver value internally, why shouldn't small and retail investors also benefit from them? KiwiFX Innovations enables investors to participate in algorithmic execution passively. To make that participation practical, execution must be automated and scalable, which is where copy trading comes in. Copy trading allows one account to automatically mirror another account's trading activity. When the KiwiFX system opens a trade, connected investor accounts open the same trade automatically, proportionally, and without manual intervention. Investors retain full control of their accounts. No funds are transferred to KiwiFX Innovations. The investor simply connects through the broker's platform, and their account mirrors the firm's live trading. When incentives are aligned, risk discipline becomes a necessity, not an option. Risk management at KiwiFX Innovations is built around predefined exposure limits, disciplined position sizing, rule-based scaling, continuous drawdown monitoring, and the interaction between multiple instruments and strategies to minimize overall portfolio risk. When copying KiwiFX strategies, investors should expect consistency, not daily fireworks. They should expect drawdowns, because drawdowns are a natural part of real markets. They should expect automation, without the need for constant monitoring or decision-making. And they should expect long-term stability, not gamble-style returns. Copy trading transforms trading into investing, and investing is a journey, not a lottery ticket. All performance is monitored and verified through independent third-party tracking platforms, so investors see what the firm sees in real time. Always be aware that trading involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. That is why disciplined engineering, execution, and risk management remain at the core of the KiwiFX Innovations approach. To explore verified live performance and learn more about how systematic investing can work, visit our website.